In this video, we will discuss about while turmeric has many health benefits, it can interact negatively with certain medications and supplements. Avoid combining turmeric with blood thinning. Engaging in activities like meditation or mindfulness can promote clarity and reduce stress. Additionally, exercise caution during pregnancy, breastfeeding, and before surgeries due to turmeric's blood-thinning properties. Always consult a healthcare provider before adding turmeric to your regimen to ensure it is safe for you. Sometimes interact negatively with certain cautious about. 1. Blood-thinning medications. Turmeric has natural blood-thinning properties, which can amplify the effects of blood-thinning medications like warfarin, aspirin, and clopidogrel. This combination can increase the risk of bleeding. 2. Diabetes medications. Turmeric can lower blood sugar levels. When combined with diabetes medications, it can cause hypoglycemia, excessively low blood sugar levels, which can be dangerous. 3. Stomach acid reducers. Turmeric can increase stomach acid production. Combining it with medications that reduce stomach acid, such as omeprazole, can negate the effects of these medications, potentially leading to digestive issues. 4. Iron supplements. Turmeric may inhibit the absorption of iron. If you are taking iron supplements for anemia or other conditions, consuming turmeric in large quantities might reduce the efficacy of these supplements. 5. Certain herbal supplements. Combining turmeric with other herbal supplements that have blood-thinning properties, such as ginkgo biloba, garlic, or ginger, can increase the risk of bleeding. 6. Chemotherapy drugs. Turmeric can interfere with certain chemotherapy drugs, reducing their effectiveness. It's important to consult a healthcare provider if you are undergoing chemotherapy and considering turmeric supplements. 7. Antacids. Taking turmeric with antacids can lead to increased stomach acid, potentially causing heartburn or other digestive issues. General precautions. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. High doses of turmeric supplements should be avoided during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Surgery. Due to its blood-thinning properties, it's advised to stop taking turmeric supplements at least 2 weeks before any scheduled surgery. Conclusion: while turmeric can offer numerous health benefits, it's important to be aware of its potential interactions with certain medications and supplements. Thank you for watching. If you like video, then click on like and subscribe the channel for more updated videos.